Hey guys, just got back from filming and shooting where Julien put up the boost of his car to 24 psi for the next drift event. He said he didn't really need it, but he was more comfortable with that much boost. Richard from RD Tuning did a really good job. It was a few minutes, few clicks on the computer, and it was done. And then we had a bit of fun, obviously, as you're gonna see. Then I swung by TFP Performance where Terry is working on his conversion car. It used to be a GTT and he converted it to a GTR. It's an R34 and he worked on it for about 7 months. It is an absolute beauty of a car. The guy is a true GTR fanatic. He got everything OEM, all the stickers, all the parts, everything is perfect on the car.